Hi everyone, thank you so much for your love and support in my first introduction video, and you guys were encouraging me a lot, and thank you so much for that. Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, whenever you're watching this video. So I'm going to share with you all something which I mentioned in my first video. It was about happiness and content. I hope you all remember, which is actually not so difficult, but we can, if we put little efforts, then we can do it. I will help you all with what made me happy and content with myself. Personally, what I have experienced and which made me happy. So I will be sharing that with you all. First, most important thing that you have to keep in your mind is do not expect anything from anyone. So that is the first important thing which helped me. And in నా personal life లో నేను ఒకళ్ళ దగ్గర నుంచి ఏదైనా if I expect something and if that doesn't happen to me, I just get like, I don't know, I'll just go mad. Just don't expect anything from anyone in this world, because if you expect things from people, then absolutely I believe that you will not be happy and you will not have that satisfaction in your life. నా పర్సనల్ లైఫ్లో నాకు అనిపించింది దట్ నేను ఎక్కువ ఎక్స్పెక్ట్ చేయడం వల్ల నాకేం రాకపోవడం వల్ల that disturbs such relationships, or that disturbs everything, disturbs everything. So it could not be from one particular person, it could be from anyone you expect. So what I suggest you guys is to expect anything from above. If you expect from there, and I believe that if you expect little things from God, He'll give you bigger things. If you expect bigger things, or little things from people, they just give you nothing, or they might give you this much. I know, because you might be expecting something from someone and you might be like waiting for that to happen, and ultimately if that doesn't happen, it leads you to your own unhappiness, and దానివల్ల నీ మైండ్ ఎఫెక్ట్ అవుతుంది, నీ వర్క్స్ ఎఫెక్ట్ అవుతుంది, నీ లైఫ్లో చాలా థింగ్స్ నువ్వు రీచ్ అవ్వాల్సిన పనులు ఎఫెక్ట్ అవుతాయి. సో ప్లీజ్ డోంట్ ఎక్స్పెక్ట్ ఎనీథింగ్ ఫ్రమ్ ఎనీవన్ ఇన్ దిస్ వరల్డ్. ద సెకండ్ మోస్ట్ ఇంపార్టెంట్ థింగ్ ఫర్ youth in this present generation is do not compare yourself with anyone in this world. Especially through social media, we have been affected very badly. So I suggest you all to watch social media, watch Instagram reels or models, anything. But trust me, if you guys want to follow that, if you all get influenced by that, if you try to compare yourself with someone in this world and try to be perfect, if you try to look like this, if you have your own identity, why do you have to look like someone else? Everyone have their own identity. Don't look at anyone. Don't compare yourself with anyone. Don't try to be like them. Just don't. You are made completely unique. That is in the image of God. And I have read a book named Girl Defined. It is somewhere over here. I have to search for it now, and I'll be showing it in the next video. That helped me a lot. That encouraged me a lot to stop worrying about the things in this world and be a completely different girl. And I'll be coming up with a video very soon on this particular topic. And the third important thing is you need to be fit, to be healthy, and not just physically but also mentally. So workouts play a major role in this part now. Take time, prepare your timetable, take time, go ahead and do some workout, and trust me, that can help you all a lot. If you feel that you're getting distracted by any thoughts, just take time, 20 minutes, go ahead, put your sports dress on and work out, and that will help you to relieve the stress that you're going through. So these are the 3 things that personally helped me to be happy with myself, and I believe that if you start practicing these 3 things, it will help you all too. So this is just a part 1, and I will be coming up with part 2 with another 3 points on the same topic. Thank you all. Bye.